parents, let's hear a few inspiring words that will set the tone for this important day. I invite Sana Imtiaz from Class 4 for the introductory speech.
The day reminds us to care for our air, water, forests, animals and planet.
Plastic pollution is choking our planet, harming wildlife and contaminating our food chain. It's not only about our environment, it's about us and our upcoming generations.
शुद्ध पानी, साफ हवा और स्वस्थ मिट्टी के बगैर हम लोग जीवन की कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते हैं। लेकिन आजकल हमारा पर्यावरण कई समस्याओं से जुड़ रहा है। हम लोग मिलकर बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, जैसे
दरख्त लगाना, पानी का ज़िया रोकना, प्लास्टिक के इस्तेमाल में कमी वाक़ करना, सफाई का ख्याल रखना, शोर और फ़िज़ाई आलूदगी पर कदगन लगाना, माहौलियाती तालीम और शऊर को फैलाना जैसे हमारी जिम्मेदारियां हैं।
I am lithosphere, solid outer part of the earth. What are you doing to me? You cut down forests. You leave me bare. You dig too much and take all my minerals. You throw plastic waste on me. I can't breathe. I request you all to take pledge with me. I promise today not to throw waste on land. Keep the earth clean. Plant more trees. Not harm the soil. And I'll take care of it. Thank you.
Hello humans, I am Hydrosphere. The benefits I give you, my superpowers. Drinking water without me cannot survive more than 5 days. Plants need me to grow. Home to aquatic life, animals that live in me, whales, sharks and fishes. Climate and weather and climate control. I form clouds and bring rain and control the earth's temperature.
We are sorry. We will do better. We will protect you because without you we can't live.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to be here this afternoon with you all as we all celebrate the World Environment Day, which is globally celebrated, and this year the theme is on Beat the Plastics. I was watching Sana as she was introducing here, the kind of confidence she has in her eyes and the kind of body language she has exhibited. That's really great, and that speaks of the kind of grooming by the faculty, by the teachers here. Mohammad Hashim, he talked about atmosphere and the water, the blue water, this flower which he had put on. I mean, a lot of creativity goes into it. Hats off to the teachers, to the faculty here. JNK stands at number 4 as far as the forest cover in the entire country is concerned, which is a big achievement. As long as the forests are there, the food will be there, the survival will be there, the humans will be there. बहुत सारे एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस को फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट अपनाता है. मे बी GD Goenka कैन बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट एफॉरेस्टेशन स्टोरी, ग्रीन डेवलपमेंट स्टोरी, एंड वी कैन डेवलप दिस एज अ ग्रीन कैंपस इन द लॉन्ग रन. बाकी जब तक आप सिविल सोसाइटी का हमारे साथ इश्तराक है, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस का इश्तराक है, NGOs का हमें इश्तराक चाहिए. वी नीड सपोर्ट ऑफ एवरीबडी विद अस so that we all together are able to create a green world, a prosperous world for our children, for our students and for our future. So God bless our forests and God bless you all. Thank you so much.
It's my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks on this special day when we are celebrating an event that directly affects our lives. Something very important in today's life. And if we are there to contribute to sustainable development of our planet, that is praiseworthy and something incredible for all of you, especially young power which is here in front of us.
This plant, this sapling will pray for you till the day of judgment.